All right, number 7 was to factor difference of two cubes or sum of two cubes. First thing is you need to know the formula. So um, I would go ahead and write it down before you go on to the next question. You should be writing all this down and taking yourself some good notes and trying these questions over again on your own. But all right. So the formula is, if there's a plus sign in between, is A plus B minus AB plus B squared. So this is square root of 8 is 2x cubed. So 2x is A, and this is 3 cubed. So that's B. 3 is B. So you just plug these in. So we have 2x plus 3. That one's easy. Then we have 2x squared minus 3 times 2x plus 3 squared. So we just got to clean all this up here in the second part. So 2x plus 3 is fine. 2 squared is 4. X squared is x squared. Minus 6x. 3 squared is 9. If it's minus, it's the same thing. It's just a different formula. So it's a minus b, a squared plus ab. Let me write that correctly. Oh, no. Plus b squared. See the difference in the formulas? Okay, we still have to figure out what's cube root of 64. So this is 4x cubed. So 4x is a minus 2 cubed. So 2 is b. We just plug those values in. 4x minus 2. 4x squared. Careful, it's not just 4x squared. You're gonna have to square that 4. So I would suggest writing it down like this. And then we're gonna do plus 2 times 4x plus 2 squared. Oh, I'm getting off the screen. Hold on. And then you just have to clean that second term up. So 4 squared is 16. X squared plus 8x plus 4. Remember, you only get one attempt on this retest, so I would work those problems on your own again and make sure that you can do it before going on to the next one to answer it.